पार्ट 5 चैप्टर 5 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। इस वीडियो का मैक्सिमम फ़ायदा लेने के लिए आप अपनी बैरक ज़रूर सामने रखें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की। चैप्टर 5 कंप्ट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया 148 आर्टिकल 148 कैग से रिलेटेड है, कैग ऑफ इंडिया से रिलेटेड है। देयर शैल बी अ कंप्ट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया who shall be appointed by the president by warrant under his hand and seal, and shall only be removed from the office in like a manner and on the like grounds as the judge of the Supreme Court. Second clause, every person appointed to be CAG of India shall, before he enters upon his office, make and subscribe before the President or some person appointed in that behalf by him an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule. Sub article 3, the salary and other condition of service of CAG shall be such as may determined by the Parliament by law, and until they are so determined shall be specified in the second schedule, provided that neither the salary of CAG nor the rights in respect of leave of absence, pension or age of retirement shall be varied to his disadvantage after his appointment. 4 है कंप्ट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल shall not be eligible for the further either under the government of India or under the government of any state after he has ceased to hold his office. Means no reappointment of CAG. 5 is subject to the provisions of this constitution and of any law made by parliament, and the condition of service of persons serving in the Indian audit and accounts department and the administrative power of the CAG shall be such as may be prescribed by the rules by the president after the consultation with the CAG. 6. The administrative expenses of the office of CAG, including all salaries, allowances and pensions payable to or in respect of persons serving in that office, shall be charged upon the consolidated fund of India. Article 149, duties and powers of CAG. The CAG shall perform such duties and exercise such all powers in relation to the accounts of the union and of the states and of any other authority or body as may be prescribed by or under any law made by parliament, and until provision in that behalf is so made, shall perform such duties and exercise such power in relation to the accounts of the union and of the states as were conferred or on exercisable by the Auditor General of India immediately before the commencement of this constitution in relation to the accounts of the Dominion of India and of the provinces respectively. आर्टिकल 150 को जो कि 42nd अमेंडमेंट से सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया है, forms of accounts of the union and of the states. The accounts of the union and of the states shall be kept in such form as the president may on the advice of CAG prescribe. 151 audit reports. The report of the CAG of the India is relating to accounts of union shall be submitted to the president, who shall cause them to be laid before each house of the parliament. The report of the comptroller and auditor general of India relating to the accounts of a state shall be submitted to the governor of the state, who shall cause them to be laid before the legislature of the states. Thank you.